Hello students, so we're going to go over very quickly how to put up our Photoshop so that we can put a 5x7 and upload our document correctly. So our JPEG is really easy. We're going to use Photoshop, and if you don't have your desktop, we're going to access it this way. So we'll go here to our Windows button and Creative Cloud, and this is what should pop up. And if you don't have Creative Cloud, you will go to the Software Center to look for the Creative Cloud, and you will click Open. On the Software Center, you will look for Creative Cloud. You open your Photoshop, and hopefully it loads, and it is loading. It takes a second. There's my Photoshop, and there's the things I've worked on so far. You're going to create a new document, and what will come up will be multiple things of which you can create, and several customs. So the default is a 7x5, which may or may not be there, but if it's not there, make sure you do this custom, and you want to do in inches, and I want it to be a 5x7, and it's going to be portrait, and pixels per inch, I want it to be 300 pixels per inch, and I'm going to hit create. And now this will give you a working space of a 5x7, so this is your complete working space of 5x7. The next thing that you're going to do is put your photo in there that you have taken today from your bubble shoot. So I have my SD card in here, and I'm DCIM, and I didn't have bubble shoot over here. I have this different, but it's the same process. Open up photos, upload a wonderful photo of me familiar on the lake, and just drag and drop it over, and it is dragged over. So you may notice I still have this blank space up here and blank space over there, and when you guys are uploading your photos, I want you to make sure that you take the time to try to follow the rules of third of your photos. So I'm going to adjust my photo so that she is in one of those thirds, and enter. And now there's my 5x7. And the next thing you have to do before we go, I want to make sure that you file and export this. So I want to export, file to export, export as, and you will be uploading a JPEG. So you want to make sure your file settings are JPEG. Quality is, let's say, excellent or great. And it's going to be as great good as it can be. Copy, copyright, and contact info, and export it. And it's going to try to save it here. This is our bubble shoot photo, and save. And that is what you will upload into Canvas. That is it.